We are at the beach. That is like some kind of carnival or something. Work out world. Oh, that's the gym. There's Bianca. She doesn't want to look at the camera. Oh, that's nice for beach footage. See, it's so pretty. I love the beach. And there's a boat. And there's a house. And we're walking. And we're going. There's Troy and Monique and Bianca. And apparently they have pools. They go all the way down on the beach. That's what that is. But nothing's open because it's cloudy and it's cold and windy. But if it weren't cloudy and cold and windy, this would be nice. Very serene. And volleyball stuff. And we're still walking. That over there. There's birds, but you can barely see them because I'm not close enough. I think people are actually playing volleyball down here.
This was the place to be when I was young. It was Flanagan, Rhode Island. Actually, we had a little bit of hosting that kind of
That's huge. There's a pool in there, but I don't think you can see it. It's big like Carowinds pool.
Are you video recording?
Say hi, Monique.
Hi. We had a couple of hurricanes.
Look at the waves. People are really playing volleyball. It's freezing out here. It's like 60 degrees, but windy. And a playground for the children. Oh, this is for people that have passed on. It's on every little... Wow, that is nice. I want one of these when I go. Nice. There's an island out there. Buy a board, like a surfing board. I'm not doing that. There's a lighthouse over there that apparently is haunted. You can barely see it, but it's there. And the playground for the children. And insane people playing volleyball. In the cold. Don't know where we're going. Monique's still telling the story. Oh, a bird. That sucks. Getting closer to time.
What do you see so far over there, the rock? Do you see where the water goes through there?
Mm-hmm.
You used to be able to walk across, but when the tide was low, but if it's high, you would have to swim across. And that's water for beach. That's like a private beach. Everybody used to come here over there.
Where they're not supposed to be. They're just a bunch of stuff.
The white guy, the husband died first. Then the white guy. wife died because she didn't have anybody to leave it to. She left it to the state of Connecticut.
Oh, wow.
So people have weddings.
She could have left it to me. I love the sound of water. Who seriously would be on a boat like this? It's pretty. We don't have any water in Charlotte. Really? Oh, there's the lighthouse. The haunted lighthouse. Okay.